On this week's episode of Hashtag Almost 30, I'm going to make ice cream. Ice cream is a kid's delight, adult's delight. Everybody loves ice cream, and I've always wanted to make ice cream, and I never have. I don't have an ice cream maker, but I do have bags. I have a pretty simple vanilla recipe, but I wanted to do cream cheese flavored ice cream cheesecake. I have some cream cheese that I'm going to use to make this ice cream. We're going to need a half a cup, half and half, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 sandwich Ziploc bag, 1 gallon Ziploc bag, 3 cups of ice, 1/3 cup rock salt. I'm gonna put my ingredients in the smaller bag and then double seal it in this bag so that just in case it doesn't leak into this bag. I like bags. I have a lot of them because I store things. Step 1 to making ice cream is put the first 3 ingredients in the bag. There's only 3 ingredients. I guess putting the first 3 ingredients would be all the ingredients. I'm going to start by melting my cream cheese. I don't really know how much to use. We're gonna fake it. I don't know if this will be enough to get really good cream cheese flavor. I wanted to put Oreos in this, but I forgot. It's just gonna be regular. I need 1 cup of half and half. I went to the store and there were 2 colors of half and half. What's the difference between the 2 colors? There was pink and blue. There's 1 for boys and 1 for girls. That's not the case. One was regular half and half and the other was fat-free half and half. How is half and half fat-free? Because the whole point of half and half is that it's fat. I of course got the regular because I didn't trust it. Plus it probably wouldn't taste as good. I'm gonna melt this down in the microwave so that it will easily mix into my milk. So cream cheese doesn't melt down like butter does. And it's cheese, so I don't know why I thought it would, but it just sort of cooks. Maybe don't do that. Oh well, we'll just add it and see what happens. Now I can't find my regular measuring spoon, but I have my decorative owl spoons. 1. I'm gonna blend this up real nice. It's very chunky. Might be too much to put in the bag. It says to add ice to the big bag along with your rock salt. I just realized it was crushed ice. I don't have crushed ice. I'm gonna see if I can crush it with this knife thingy. Be careful and to not smash your porcelain owl measuring spoons. This is actually working. It's also good for anger management. The ice crushing worked really well. Now I put little holes all in my bag. I would suggest transplanting it. Ice cream rock salt. Oh, lift. It's a cute little hole. Oops. Oh, it's like real rocks. That's cool. Rock salt. 1/3 cup of rock salt. Pour the ice cream mixture into the small bag. I don't see this being very easy. Please be easy. That was easy. Oh yeah, that was a good idea. Already leaking. Squeeze bag until it turns into ice cream. This is very cold. Maybe you should wear gloves. I'm gonna try it with a towel. There is water everywhere. Make sure your bag is sealed really well. Maybe not push so hard. I can't tell if it's leaking or like just condensation. Oh. I wonder if I doubled it if I have to squeeze it longer. I need another towel. I feel like I'm giving a massage. I feel like it's been long enough, so we're gonna test it. Ta-da! Oh, not ta-da. Oh, that is very salty water. It was a good idea to use 2 bags because the smaller bag did open a little. I think it's ice cream. Ugh. 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 Let's see how it tastes. It looks kind of weird. Very soft, but kind of frozen. I don't know if cream cheese and vanilla was the best idea, especially since there's kind of chunks of cream cheese still. We're gonna stick this bad boy in the freezer. See if when it hardens a little more, if it tastes better. Hopefully that's the case. I'm gonna use this to put my ice cream in. Oh, and it's like the perfect size. Well, it's a little too full, so I'm just not gonna seal it all the way. Hopefully I remember that. Going in the freezer now. It is time to give it a taste. Ooh, homemade cream cheese, sweet cream, vanilla ice cream. Still kind of soft. That's not bad. That's pretty good, actually. I think it would be better with a little bit less cream cheese and then maybe some crushed Oreos on top. Definitely better frozen. I should stop eating this now. On this week's episode of Hashtag Almost 30, I learned that ice cream is fairly easy to make. I learned that sometimes things just take time. I learned that cream cheese doesn't melt. On next week's episode of Hashtag Almost 30, I'm going to be 30. Dun dun dun! Stay tuned for old age. You ready to get your nails painted?
Level, right? But
You wanna
don't
get your nails painted?
Like, what's up, boobs?
Dexter?